Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video I would like to take and suggest to you what I would do with my additional blank set of dies that come with these gate fullers here that you can get from Uncle Buck's Forge. I'll put a link to his channel down in the description down below, and where you can go and find yourself one of these little scissor swedges or gate fullers as he likes to call them. I'll put a link to that down in the description, so be sure to check him out. And yeah, thank you, Uncle Buck, for sending me one of these that I can play around with and add to my shop. I appreciate that. So, this is what I've done with the blank die set that I got with the kit here. And I've just basically made much larger depressions of these. This here is great for doing things like candlesticks, necking down pipe and things of that nature. You know, driving in fuller grooves around tong-held punch tooling, things of that nature. It works out really well, this size die work here. But if you want to do anything much larger, like flower vases, you know, or much larger tooling where you need to take and get around it, you're obviously going to have to create much larger swedges. Now, I already have some swedges, swedge depressions in my other guillotine tool. That kind of is the go-between this size, the largest size here, and the largest size here. So I went ahead and just made much bigger. You can never have too many swedges, you know, to be able to use to neck down pipe. You never know what you might get into as a job. A couple quick notes about this before I let you go. I had to reinforce the spine of this here because this is only 1/2 inch thick, or no, excuse me, I believe it's 3/8 inch thick. Yeah, it's 3/8 inch thick, or 9.5 mil, roughly 10 mil thick piece. So I did reinforce it with this bit of square stock here because of how much material I removed, like you can see down here. So this way, this piece wouldn't bend when being struck upon. I also added another hammer block here out on the end, so this way you can still hammer just the same. I just added the additional bit of rigidity to the bottom of this here, and you know, that will help out greatly. I still have to grind my welds down and make it a little bit prettier. The welder was running a little bit rough. Well, I should say I was running a little bit rough. Anyways. So there you go. That's what I'd suggest. It makes, you can neck down some mighty big pipe, you know, using fullers this size. You can really neck down some stuff, and that's what I would suggest that you use it for, is just keep adding more and more depressions. Also, as an alternate, there is enough room here that you can add much smaller depressions still, or maybe even one large depression in that in this material here, as long as you don't make it too big to where that becomes a weak point. So, you know, I would go with some smaller depressions up that way to finish this out, and I may just do that as well. So, but anyways, those are my suggestions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to support more great content like that, like this, consider sharing this video around with one of your friends, and or supporting us over at blacksmithpdfs.com. We greatly appreciate it either way. That's it. God bless. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.